how much room do we actually need in a crawl space to do our inspection and to perform our work?
So here at Dalinghaus Construction, we have a limit. We do not work in crawl spaces that are lower than 18 inches. And that's just because you can fit in a crawl space doesn't mean you can do work in a crawl space. Our guys are strong, they're muscular, they dig all day, and they got to be on their backs tinkering with fine-tune equipment.
Yeah, exactly. And just for code and safety purposes too, like I said, 18 inches really isn't a whole lot of room to be working underneath a house. We do offer dirt removal if need be to accommodate for the larger areas, but that can get pretty expensive pretty quick just because of the amount of square footage and labor intensity it is to remove that soil from underneath your house so we can gain access to work.
Thanks, Brian.
You're welcome, and thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.